Ahem. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor to welcome you to the 12th Annual Cognitive Psychology Conference. My name is Remco Wienenberg, and I'm here today to talk to you about how being understood contributes to our overall happiness.
Wait, what on earth are you doing here? This is not a slideshow psychology conference. This is my slot. This is Finovate. We're discussing the latest trends in banking here.
Banking? I must have come to the wrong place. Well, you know what? I better get going then. And banks don't like me anyway.
Wait, what do you mean? They don't like you?
Yeah, they don't know anything about me, and they keep spamming me with these useless offers.
Okay, but that is exactly what my demo is about. Can I have it? Oh yeah, it's already here. I was just about to explain how banks can understand customers like you much better.
Well, darling, I missed my session anyway, so here are your 5 minutes.
5 minutes? Great, thanks. So, Remco, who's your bank?
It's called First Bank.
First Bank, okay, pretty good. You know what? I have someone from First Bank today. Thomas, can you please come up on stage?
Yeah, hi everyone, good morning. I'm actually from First Bank. What's going on?
All right, Thomas, we were just about to explain how these magical sales-up glasses can reveal lots of things about Remco, your customer. So let's look at this, what we can see in Remco's app. Our tool sales-up immediately reveals a lots of real-time customer insights. Yeah, it's also here. So, what do you think?
Magical glasses, you said, but all I can see is that Remco here has got irregular incomes from various sources, right?
Well, that's true. Besides being a PhD student, I worked as a freelance graphic designer.
Okay, but Remco, I can also see you have some income from Airbnb and Uber.
Yeah, that's right. I own a crib in the center of Amsterdam that I regularly rent out through Airbnb. And whenever I come home, I jump in my car to make some cash through Uber.
Remco, that sounds great, but honestly, and no offense, please, you're unfortunately one of the customers I'm not really interested in. You're a young chap with irregular incomes, so in our terms, you're not credit-worthy, I'm sorry to say.
Thomas, you might be wrong about that.
Really?
Yeah, let's look at what Remco earned just over last year. Yeah, it's over £48,000. What do you say?
No, that's not bad, actually, I can see that, but in personalization, what else do you think I know about Remco to make relevant offers? I don't want to annoy him.
Oh, okay. Let me show you something much more about Remco. Let's click on his profile. Basically, we, with SalesUp, uses a lot of data that banks usually overlook, like you, enrich transaction details, customer location, and a lot of third-party data. So we generate behavioral customer profiles. Let's see Remco's location profile. He splits his time between Amsterdam and London, I can see. His sports profile shows me that, yeah, he's a keen runner. I can see that. Also going out, yeah, he goes out quite frequently, spends quite a lot of money, and his favorite place is Deadly Goose Pub. Good job. And going to his car profile, yeah, he mentioned his driving, so he spends a lot of money there, and his favorite place to fill up his car is Shell.
Josef, you know what I'm thinking? That I actually could use these data and the data sources in our micro-segmenting initiative in the bank. It's perfect for targeting.
Yeah, exactly. This is what SalesUp is good for, to generate all these behavioral profiles. Now you know what profiles Remco fits into. Can you offer him a personalized banking product?
Actually, I don't know. What do you think I should offer? What would be a personalized product to him based on this?
Okay. Let's click on his notifications. So I know Remco has some savings, but I bet he could use a flexible loan to straighten out his cash flow.
Hang on a sec. Do you think? Now look at the faces in the audience. They were wondering why would he need a loan? He's got disposable income, you just said, £48,000, right?
Okay, let's click on why does he see this offer. And basically, if we scroll down, we see that our prediction is that he'll run out of money in exactly 5 days.
Well, honey, it wouldn't be the first time.
That's quite impressive. How do you know this?
Our tool SalesUp uses traditional and external banking data with machine learning to predict exactly such things.
Well, I might have spent a little bit too much on my trip to Thailand last month.
I think I'm really getting to know you, Remco, now. But Josef, tell me one thing then. How do I use this kind of tool with the millions of other customers I have in different life situations, not like Remco?
Very good question, Thomas. So let's have my analytical dashboard on screen. And basically, with all the data that we analyze, we have built or pre-built customer insights and behavioral customer profiles for your total customer base, for your millions of customers. And just as an example, let's click on the car profile of your customers, where you can actually see how much your customers are spending on car purchases, how regular they are spending on, who are the brands they are spending their money with, and how loyal are they to these brands.
This is like, whew, this is really good, awesome. I think now what you're saying is that if I have the tool, I can create customer insights, use these customer insights to not annoy Remco, but offer him relevant, personalized products, right?
Exactly.
Ah, music to my ears.
Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, this was just one example how banks and customers can come closer. I think what's the key takeaway here is that if you have the data and if you can understand the data, you can generate real-time customer insights and profiles to make every interaction personalized.
Well, Josef, that sounds like Thomas could be the first banker in my life that truly understands me.
I certainly do hope so, Remco.
Yeah, good job, good job. So since we have launched SalesUp, we started to work with banks like Raiffeisen, BNP Paribas, MKB, or Hello Bank. If you want to understand how we have helped them and how we can help you too with these magical glasses, please do come to our booth and don't forget to vote for us on Best of Show. Thank you.